My name's Kara, this is Rita. We're back with our Nigerian Dwarf goats. This is our first video, official video. That's Mama Cactus, the little one is Toupee, Marshmallow, Almond and Joy. We have these guys for their milk. They have very delicious milk. It is buttery, creamy, and has a higher butterfat content. If you can see right here, our girl Cactus, she's pretty full. If we milk her twice a day, she produces half a gallon of milk. We use her milk for goat milk, cheese, as well as we make soaps and lotions with it. They produce a little bit less than Nubians. Nubian goats will produce a gallon of milk a day, and we will show you those guys. And here we have our Nubian goats. So this is Basil and that's Rosemary, they're sisters. Nubians are a bit bigger than Nigerian Dwarfs and they have long floppy ears. They make a louder goat call than the Nigerians as well. Goats are a ruminant, which means that their stomach has 4 chambers like a cow or a sheep, and it helps them break down their food even more. They like to eat plants that are hard and bushy like blackberries and hay. Also like treats like apples and grain. What's their favorite treat?
Animal crackers.
And what's your favorite treat to eat, Jace?
Animal crackers.
Not just for goat kids?
Also for kids. No.
Are they very friendly?
They love to give you kisses. Yeah.
She just is loving you. She's just loving you.
This little guy is Toupee. He was born a month ago. When baby goats are born, it's not like when kittens or puppies are born. They're ready and raring to go when they first are born. They'll run, jump, play. Do you guys want to see Toupee run and jump? You ready? I'm gonna let him go. Here he goes.